I really shouldn't be wearing a t-shirt, but today is so hot. The weather is just, especially the temperature, it's just reaching almost the summertime. 29 degrees today. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Anyway, YSL Black Slim Lipstick launched the new colors. One is 316, one is 317. Regardless how much I loved this collection, by the way, I done a lot of colors swatches and reviews about this collection. If you're interested in other colors, I highly recommend you to check out this video over here. I love this too over any of the rest of colors in this collection. This too could be very boring, but absolutely stay on my cup of tea. The color I'm wearing now is 317. And this time the formula, the texture remains the same. However, the finishing is slightly different. It's not fully matte, but neither glow. Let me show you. This is 317, 316. From the colors perspective, as you guys probably notice, as why I love them a lot, because they are nude based colors. This has a slightly more smoky petal colors in that. This is more warm tone, more towards coral brown. But this time the details are, they are beautiful diamond glitter, not glitter, even finer than glitter, dust, colored dust in this. Let me show you if you guys can see by me showing like this. If you can't, I'll insert another clip which I videoed on my phone. More coral brown one has more, slightly more golden-ish flakes, like golden dust, the shimmers in there. The more smoky petal color has more like mixed colors, like rainbow colors, diamond dust in there. With this type of finish, YSL did a very, very good job this time. Not long ago, I tried a liquid lipstick, which is completely give you a matte finish, but have those colored diamond dust on top of it. I didn't like that finish. I just feel the glitters looks cheap and cheerful and didn't enhance the result. YSL, this one. Let me zoom you in and explain. The formula and the glitter on top of it worked very well. One is because the glitter is fine dust enough. It's evenly spread out the entire product. So when you glide on the lip, you don't see this side has more glitters, that side has less glitters. No, it's evenly spread out and it's fine enough for you to not notice when you see from distance, but to really notice when you get closer. As I said, it's enhanced the finish. It brings the finish to a different level. It just makes this velvet matte lipstick very, how to say, sexy and kissable. This is this one, 317, which is more smoky petal. But when you apply on the lip, you see it's not turns to two petal, like has pink, too much pinkness in there. It merged with my own lip color so well. And this is 316, which is more coral brown color. It's so nice. It's so nice. Both of them are just throw on colors. You don't need to think too much. Goes with most of makeups. And the formula itself is maintained as the previous colors. It doesn't sink into the lines. It doesn't smoothen out your lip lines that well, but it doesn't emphasize it. Besides, I think with this slightly glitter reflection, it actually helps to visually smoothen out your lip lines a little bit better than the fully matte finish. By the way, it's very, very comfortable to wear, but it still has its typical YSL perfume smell, scents. Personally, I feel it's a little bit too strong for a lip product, but it does fade out gradually. I know their previous hyper colors are like 314, but I would prefer this too. Let me grab 314. The middle one is 314. is much stronger color saturation. Therefore, with 314, if you really want to present this color nicely on your face, in my opinion, you will need to have thought of makeup to go with it. But those two are just nude, lower color, slightly lower color saturation, but good coverage itself. Throw it on, no makeup or makeup day, or just natural daily look. If you're a little bit bored about matte finish, but at the same time you don't want to go for creamy or glossy lipstick as it doesn't last as long as matte finish, you can think about something like this. Satin finish, but give you a very beautiful dusty glitter on it. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next one.